Now everything is fine, guys. Use the chat box. Yes. Okay. So now, okay, guys. Okay. Everyone has joined, right? Yeah. So now let's okay na? Let's okay. So now fine, guys. So whenever we will click on that what delete, right? This record should be delete, right? So we completed the logic, okay? We completed the logic, okay? Our server is not what is that restarted, because of that we are getting that error, guys, okay? Previously, don't worry about that. I'm not doing anything, okay, in the application. So now come to browser, right? Come to browser, click on that delete button, right? I want to delete this record, okay? Now click on that. This record is deleted or not? But I want some message also, right? I want some message also. Whenever we are deleting the record, you want to see that two record is there in the database, right? So now just I'm refreshing, because from there I deleted. Now I'm refreshing. See, only one record is there, right? Only one record is there. Okay, so now next, but what is that? Whenever I'm deleting the record, guys, right? Whenever I'm deleting here, I want to see the message also, right? I want to see the message. This record ID is deleted. For that, we have need to do some changes in our application, right? So what we will do now, just I'm taking what in our what employee list component, okay? So here I'm taking what one variable, one variable, right? One variable, just I'm taking what the variable message colon any, right? Any type, okay? Message colon any type, and come inside that what? Come inside that, come inside that what? In our here logic, okay? Take the message, take the message, this message equal to data, right? Data, and come to what? Our employee list component, right? Employee list component, and here just read that message. Double curly bracket and a message. Now what I'm going to do now, come to browser, right? Just refresh your browser, just refresh. One record is there now. I'm deleting this record, okay? I'm deleting. Whenever I will delete, here I will get what? One message. See that employee deleted, right? What is that? Employee deleted. Which message I'm getting now? Already in the rest, I already wrote this message, right? This message I'm getting. This message is coming from what? Our REST application, guys, okay? This message is coming from what? Our REST application. Now delete operation also be completed. Now you want to again, okay, no problem here, right? There is no record, right? Here just I'm giving what is that? 12, serial number 12, gender male, address something I'm giving, right? Address what? I'm something giving here only, right? Something. Country India, right? Employee name just I'm giving Ravi only, right? Ravi, and password something 123 okay. Now I'm saving this one, okay. After saving this one, what I will do now, come to browser, just refresh the browser, okay. You will get the one record, right? One record is coming or not? So now again, if you want to delete, just click on the delete button, right? After clicking the delete button, see this message you are getting. And this our Angular application interacting with whom? Our REST application, right? Which one is running in the Tomcat server, right? And Angular application is running in Angular server, right? Angular server. Okay, so now this view all operation be completed, plus what? Delete operation be completed, right? Right? Delete operation be completed, right? So one more time, I'm what one record I'm inserting, guys, okay. One more time, one record I'm inserting here, okay. What is that? 13, right? 13, gender male, address something A to Z, country India, India, name Raja, and 3 to 5, okay. Now save it. Okay, come to browser, right? Just click on the view button. Register is there, click on the view. See, one record is coming or not, one record is coming or not in the downside, right? Downside one record is coming. Okay, so next what we will do now, next what operation we will perform, let's click on the, whenever we will click on the register button, here we have need to open one form, right? Based on that form, based on that form, what we will do now, guys, whenever we will click the submit button, right, record will store in what, database, right? Record will store in a database, right? So first what we have need to do now, guys, we have need to design one form, right? We have need to design one form, right? So let's design one form. Okay, first we have need to design one form, and then we will make the request. Okay, then we will make the request, but I'm going to use what is that, bootstrap here only, guys. Bootstrap only. See that how I'm designing, right? Whenever we will click, if clicking that, if after clicking that, we will get that form and we will fill the form. After clicking the view, you will get all record, right? So this is what our operation, right? So this is what our operation. So shall we design this form, guys? Use the chat box. Shall we design? You people are ready to see that next level discussion? Yeah. So now till now the session is interesting or not, guys? Till now session is interesting or not? See that how much I made Angular integration easy. See that. So now fine, guys. Okay. So now fine. So let's move on. Okay. Let's move on. Let's move on. Now, so I'm going to give what, register implementation. Whenever we will click on register button, right? We will get what, one form, and based on that form, we will put the data in the database, right? We will put the data in the database. So let's create the form, right? So come inside that what, where we will go now, where we will go now. So close all those things. Okay na, close all those things, because that is the different component. Come to our what, our discussion. What is that? If form, right? This is the, already we completed this task, but it will, it's use, we will again come to later in this one, because we have need to give what, one edit form, right? This form, and this form we will link in here only, right? Here only. So but before, we have need to give what, this, we are going to work on this area, right? We are going to work on this area. So already we created, right? Already we created what, employee create component. So let's start the work, let's start work in this area, right? So come inside that application, right? Come inside the application, go inside that employee create component HTML, right? Go inside that, what is that, employee create is there now. Open this one. Okay, open this one. Go inside that what, employee create component HTML, right? Go inside that. Okay, so this message we are, whenever we are clicking that, see that this message, whenever we are clicking the register button, we are getting this message only, right? So what we will do now, just remove it, just remove it. Okay, so now fine. So what I will do now, whatever coding I will do, guys, I will show each and everything front of you only. Okay, I'm not hiding anything, guys. I'm not hiding. What is the reality? I'm just giving you people who will utilize these things. Okay now, because based on this knowledge only, I'm enjoying my life in the IT industry. So I can understand, if anybody use this knowledge, right, in the IT industry, definitely they can also enjoy their life. Okay, definitely they can also enjoy their life. Okay, so now let's see that. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, H3 I'm giving, what is that, welcome to employee form, right? So you want to see this message on what browser? Come, just refresh your browser. See that, welcome to what, employee form, it's coming, right? Now if you click, you will get what is that, all record. If you click here, you will get form, right? So now let's design it. Okay, let's design it. Okay, so now what is that, form, right? I'm taking, what is that, form tag. Inside that we will write the logic. Okay, so inside that, what is that, we will take, what is that, form action, right? Form action. Hmm. Form action, right? Form action. Inside that, just I'm taking star symbol still. Okay, later whenever we have need. Method equal to, what is that, post type. Method equal to, what is that, post type, right? Post type. After then, what is that, come inside that, what, our model class, right? Come inside that model class, we have need to see the data, right? Model class, whatever data, based on this one only we will design, right, field. So again, come here. Okay, so here I'm taking what, one div tag, right? I'm dividing my screen, right? Div tag, I'm taking one div tag, right? Inside that div tag, I'm taking, what is that, class equal to row, right? After then, what I'm going to do now, next I'm taking, what is that, div again, right? Inside that div tag again I'm taking. Okay, after taking this div tag, what I'm going to do now, class, I'm taking that class. Okay now, I'm taking inside that, what is that, call hyphen 2, just I'm taking, right? 2, whatever text, it will take the spaces of 2 call spans, right? So inside that, what I'm going to do now, emp employee ID, right? Employee ID. After then, next one is what? Again, I will take, what is that, div tag, control div, right? Now div. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do now, class. Okay. Call hyphen 4, right? Call hyphen 4. Okay. Inside that, I'm taking input. Okay. Inside that, I'm taking, what is that, input type, right? Input type. Okay, what is the input type now? What is the input type now? Input type equal to text, right? Text, text. Another one is, what I'm going to take now, guys. Another one, what we will do, take name, right? Name. Okay, name should be matched with what, our employee model class, right? What is the name? Employee name. Copy this attribute. Okay, and come inside that and paste this one. Okay, so now next, again I will take what, ID also, right? Inside that ID, we will take same only. Copy this one and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so now fine. You want to see that view, how it's look like on the browser? No employee ID, no need. Auto generation is there, man. Okay, because of that, I'm not taking. Okay, we don't have need to send the employee ID. Auto generated, I taken in the RESTful. Okay, it will generate by default, so no need. In model class need, because in the future I will use it, but to send saving the data, no need. Okay, auto ID will generate ourself only. Okay, our spring orm only generate ID. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so now till now the things is completed. Come on the browser, see that employee ID, and what is that, here we get the field. You want to uh, give a little bit good view about input. Okay, come here and just use, what is that, class, right? Just use class already there, right? Class already there. Inside this class, what you will do now, guys, what you will do now, no, not this one. Inside the input, right, here use the class inside that form control, hyphen form control. Just come to browser, refresh your browser, see that little bit you see little bit graphical things is coming, right? Our input is little bit different now, it's look good. Okay, so now, okay, let's design another one also, right? Same, let's say design another fields also. Okay, so just what I'm going to do now, copy this one, change the fourth line content from employee ID to employee name. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So now, so one field is created now, guys. Okay, now copy the same things. Okay, just copy. We will do the some little bit changes. Okay, now paste it here. Okay. So now here, what we will do now? What is the next? What is the next? Employee password, right? Employee password is there. Just take the employee password. Employee password, right? Inside the employee password, what you will do now, guys? Just take the this variable, right? This variable and come inside that here, paste it. Okay, paste it, paste it. Okay, after pasting that, what you will do now? Okay, so after pasting that, yeah, everything is fine. But here, take the not text. Okay, password. Take the password, right? Take the password. Okay, so now see the two fields are came, right? Two fields are came now, guys. Okay, so same like, okay, same like, what is that? Another, come to another input, come to another inputs. What is the another inputs are there? Gender means radio button, right? Radio buttons are there, right? Radio buttons. Now fine. Okay, so for that radio buttons, little bit difference is there. Let's copy the how radio button we will generate in the bootstrap, right? See that. Okay, radio radio button in bootstrap. Okay, I'm copying this one, guys. Okay, I'm taking this one only, right? Yeah, from here to here I'm taking, right? Shall I take total? Okay, let's take total only. Copy this one, copy this one. Okay, so but before we have need to do these things, okay, what I will do now, just I'm copying this one. Okay, same, I'm copying this one, just I'm removing, pasting here. So here what I'm doing, going to do now, just I'm taking what? Employee gender. Yeah, give a class for selection. This one is good, right? Okay, select it till now only. What I can do, 1 minute. I want to give a good design, right? So just I'm copying. Okay, let's copy this total, right? Copy this total one. Gender is there, right? Inside that, just do one thing, right? One div tab is there, right? Inside this div tag. Okay, just paste that code and we will modify it based on the our requirement. Okay. So let's see first what is the view. What is the view is coming on the browser, right? So this is not good view, right? This is not good view. Okay. So here select the list is coming now. No, this is not. I don't want this one. So delete the label. I'm deleting the label. Okay. So another one is what? Farm group is there, right? Here farm group is there. Okay, no problem. I will delete this view total. Okay. Now ID not required. Farm control also not required. Okay. Now fine. Okay, fine. Come to browser, but 1 2 is coming, right? So now, okay, no problem. Here I'm taking, what is that? Hyphen 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 select, right? First one I'm taking India. Another one. Give one or two country name, guys. Give one or two country name in the chat box.
Ravi, he is
That is
gender.
gender,
Male or
sir.
female, sir?
Sorry. Oh, okay,
Sir,
okay.
gender, that is.
Oh, sorry. I'm taking list box.
Radio button.
It's my mistake. Thank you so much. Okay, it's my mistake.
List here, sir.
Where's my brain? I don't know. Okay, I need what radio button, right? Uh, sorry. Okay. Yeah, I'm copying this one. Okay, copy this one. Sorry. Where my brain? I don't know. Okay, so imply gender. Okay, so now remove this one. Okay, now paste this code. Okay, so fine now. Label inline, radio inline, right? After then, what is that? Radio input type. Option is what? Name I'm taking. Name I'm taking employee TS, right? Come to gender, right? Copy this one. Come here, paste it. After then, take ID also. Paste it. Here I'm taking what? Male. Inside that value, I'm taking one value, right? In the value, what I'm taking? Male. Male. And after then, next one? Take same data, right? And here also female. Female, and what is that? Value equal to female, right? So now come to browser, just refresh it. Okay, yeah, male and a female both are coming now. Okay, okay, so this two radio button is coming now. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so next one is what? Next one, what we will do now? Okay, till now things is completed, guys. Okay, till now things is completed. Okay, next one is what? Address means what is that? Text area, right? This is nothing but what? Text area. Okay, so no problem. Let's develop what? Text area. Everything is fine, right? Okay, so now this div tag again come here. Okay, again come here. Copy the first one, right? Copy first one and paste it here again, and we will modify it. Okay, just we will modify this one. Now to employee, what is that? Address, right? ADDRESS address. Okay, fine now. So next one is what? Come to model class, right? Come to model class. Employee address. Copy this attribute and paste inside what? Paste inside what? No, this is the text area, right? This is the text area. Remove this input. Okay, so fine. So here what we will do now? Text area. We will take what is that? Text area, right? Text area. Text area. Come to browser. Employee address text area. It's look like shall we let's take this text area from what is that? Internet only, because that is a look like little bit good, right? What is that? Text area good. We are designing everything in front of you only, right? So which one is good? Text area. One minute. I'm not finding anywhere text area code. Okay, no problem. Radio button checkbox text area, right? Here heading I put is support for the form. What is that? Text area also, right? Yeah. Text area. I want to give good view, right? So because of that, okay, leave it. I'm not finding anybody. Good text area. Yeah. This is the text area, right? No, not this one. This one. Yeah, this one only. Yeah. Let's copy this one. Okay. Copy now. Text area, right? Come here. And what is that? Put inside that what? First, I'm putting this here. I want to see the first view. Then we will design it. Okay. So div class. Okay. In the div class, label comment. Okay. No, this one. Just take this much only. No need. Okay. Copy this one and paste inside the text area only. Okay. Paste inside that, and another one delete it. No need. Okay. This one. Okay. So now fine. So fine. Now come to browser. So text area, right? Text area is this much. 5. It look like 5 much, right? No, I don't want. Just I want 2. Yeah. This much is think. This is look like good. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay. So next one is what, guys? Next one is what? Okay. Inside that, what we will do now? Next one is what? Form controller row 2 ID. ID don't want this one. Okay. ID is our what? This one. Copy this one. Come here. Paste it inside. Take what is that name attribute inside that. Paste this one. Okay. Inside that, paste this one. Okay. Fine. Till now the things is completed. Okay. So another one more is there. What is that? What is that? Country is there, right? Country is what? List selection, right? So selection also come here, right? Come to here. Okay. The browser only. What is that? Selection also, radio selection, right? Last one, let's take. Last one, let's take it. What is that? This one only, right? Okay, let's take this one only from here to here only. Okay. So come inside that. Come inside here. Okay. So take div again. Div. Now, first what we will do now? Come here. Copy first one only and paste it. Okay. After then, what you will do now? Employee address is completed, right? Country. Employee country. Employee country, right? Inside that, what you will do now? Just remove this one. Remove this. Okay. Come to browser. Copy this selection tag. Okay. Paste it. So here, what is that ID? ID will become what? Employee country. Copy, paste it. Okay. Farm controller is there. Another one is what? Farm controller, employee country, and another one is what? Name, right? Another one is what? Name. Paste the country. Okay. So guys, give some name. Give some name. Country name. India. Use the chat box. Give the some country's name. Okay. Okay. That's it. That's it. Stop it. Okay. UK control. First one, India. INDIA, India, right? Here I'm taking what is that? Value. Value equal to what is that? India. Value equal to what? India. Another one is what? Another one what I can take? Canada, right? Germany, Canada. Okay, Canada. Let's take the Canada. Copy this one and paste inside. Okay, so next what we will do now? Value paste, right? Okay. So another one more let's take, right? Fourth one, right? Fourth one what I can take? Mm, London. Okay. Value equal to London, right? These three countries we are taking, right? These three countries we are taking. Now come to our what browser. Now refresh it. See, we are getting what refresh button, right? Okay, selection. But this is not good, right? Four. Okay. So what we will do now? Farm control we are taking, right? Just remove. No need this one. Okay. No need. It should look like little bit not good. Okay. So now refresh the browser. Now it's fine. Okay. Now selection, right? Selection India, Canada, London, right? Three countries are there. Okay. So now another one, what here we will take what submit button, right? Save, save the data, right? Save the data. So for that, what we will do now? Come here. Okay. Copy first one only. Down, right? Now here paste it. So the no need, okay, just remove everything, okay, just I want row only. So here what is that? Input type equal to what is that? Submit, right? Input type equal to submit, okay. Name no need, okay. Name ID no need, okay. So fine. So here what is that? Value equal to what is that? Value equal to what is that? Save data, right? Save data. Now save it. Now come to browser, save button, but this one also not look like good, okay. So what we will do now? Form control is there, remove this one, okay. So here with button color we have need to btn hyphen what is that? Success. Now come to browser. Now refresh it. Now this is look like good, right? But you want to space some spaces here, okay, do like this, okay. If you want to space little bit, what is that? Here just take one paragraph, that's it, okay. Come on browser, okay. So now the things is good, okay. If you want to see the data, whenever you will click, the record will come. If you want to save some what information, click the register, this button will come. It's look like right reality, right? Guys, you people are enjoying the session. I'm feeling bored. Let me know that. Feeling bored, I enjoying the session, guys. Good, right? So whenever you will get what? Employee, what is that? Employee form. And whenever you will click what? View all, then you will get what? All record, whatever record is there inside what database. With open heart, right? Stay with me. I will make everyone a specialist, guys. I know so much things, okay? I know so much things. And then just one thing, okay. I'm stopping the recording, right? I mean, because after the recording, right, I want to share one things with you people, okay. Just I'm stopping what recording.